says, so forgive me if I kind of like space out for a sec. But I know like most, you know, okay, let's just go, okay. We started living in an old house. Mama gave birth and we was checking it out. It was a baby boy, so we bought him a toy. It was a ray gun, and it was 1981. We named him Baby, Baby. He had a toothache, he started crying. It sounded like an earthquake. It didn't last long because I stopped it. I grabbed a rag doll, stuck some little pins in it. Now we're a family, and we're alright now. We got money and a little place to fight now. We don't know you, and we don't own you, but if you see us around, I got something else to show you. The hardest button, the button. The hardest button, the button, the hardest button, the button. Now it's easy when you don't know better. You think it's lazy to put it in a short letter. We keep on, but there's just something wrong with it. Just my little button, the button. I had opinions that didn't matter. I had a brain that felt like pancake batter. I got a backyard with nothing in it except a stick, a dog, and a box with something in it. The hardest button, the button. The hardest button, the button. The hardest button, the button. The hardest button, the button.